ABC gets a lot of calls every winter from customers asking if they need to drain their sprinkler systems. If your sprinkler system is completely below ground, you will be safe, and this winter storm system gave me the opportunity to prove that. I put a meat thermometer below my double check backflow device. That meat thermometer probe is stuck into the ground, and I've been monitoring the ground temperature for about a week now. And even though it's currently 19 degrees, you'll see that the ground temperature is much warmer. So come on over and let's take a look. Okay, so as I mentioned, it's 19 degrees, but if you'll look down in here, you probably have to come right down in real close. You'll see that the temperature is somewhere between 48 and 46 degrees. So as long as we're above freezing, we don't have anything to worry about. Now, as I stated earlier, that's if you have a completely below ground irrigation system. Now, some irrigation systems, their backflow device is above ground. This kind of weather pattern, if you don't drain that water out and completely insulate that backflow device, it will freeze and it will crack, and it will cost you somewhere close to $800 to $1,000 to replace it. So I hope this has been some good information for you. Hope you have a good day.